Izi ni episode ya 3. Tangiye gutya. Mu kibuga arabazaga hano. Bunamana. Yeah. N'abakinnyi babandi ba rugubi. Byifashe bite? Yeah. Reba filime match iratangira. Mu kibuga hagati. Byifashe bite? Ngo bayita football. Bayita rugubi biki? Sinzi icyo babushaka ariko ni football. Ko bayita hariya. Byifashe bite? Katuri. Bana bafana barahari iki niki? Hahiye. Yeah. Yukinya mikino. Kuraka cyavuga ngo arashaka gukina bakamwangira ko bazi kafite imbaraga bidasanzwe. Wana gabi wakurikira ratwitse. Ntabwo nakoresha no gupasa umupira. Bakigwa cyane ku ikota cyo gukikoca. Ese ngo dikoca. Football na demokarasi bamo. Kora icyo koca kubwiye. Ibi byose twabyitoje inshuro zigirishana muri iki kibuga. Nagira gusubira indani ubikora uko twabyitoje. Banyumva neza gabi. Genda. Umugabo. Barakinnye umukino urakomeza. Turacyari muri cya kigo. Iyi ni ikipe y'ikigo. Aba nabahashi bura nta kigo kibura abahashi. Robe gutatu kabiri bimeze bite bacu bese nabi abana bari gukina hahiye hagurumanye ni mu kigo ni ikipe y'abahashi b'ikigo yafata baro cye kumufata umwana asubukira ni umukino bo n'imibare nta buki bintu byose bitari imibare tanga pass hakurya bimeze bite fata baro abaharahiye coach ni coach wa cya kigo akura kabigamo base bakiraka karaka katururi tubone no gusuza umwana wa Lika Bubuzu yitwa Karaka ni kiraka hano bagarutse batsinze. Yeah.
There's another team eating crow tonight, gentlemen.
Ari ndi kipe muri kano kanya yatsinzwe iri ku cyumwana.
Next Friday night's game.
Undi mukino kwa gatanu.
Not only is it going to put us in the state championship, but if coach Walt 200 win.
Uwo mukino tutsinda coach azabije imikino 2000 imikino 200 datsindwa. Imikino 200 azaba yubatse uno mutoza w'ikigo. Datsindwa. Coach yavuye hariya gutoza. Coach yitwa Wate. Wate yaje kuri no. Mu gasauna kwa Kinto. No kwagora. Nanzana ni muri sauna massage. Hanyene ko bavuga. Yaje muri sauna ko hanoze mugeze nanze ngo hano tubafitiye sauna massage. Yera inzi kari ikintu kimwe. Ngo yaje muri sauna. Avuze ko narakorerwaho massage we kuva navuka. Gasana ni ujya muri massage kazangira ngo rokinga ariko haranashye. Ntihashya guteze we menya ko hanashye. Sinzi ikintu bashaka kuvuga. Kumbe uyu mugabo muri sauna zamo haba harimo na yamabuye yaturutse kundi mubumbe.
Principal Kwan.
Director Kwan.
What brings you to this sweatbox?
Iki kwizanya hano mu cyoce. Dufite ikibazo coach.
Gee, huh?
Cyo gukopera. Director w'ikigo yashugana na coach w'ikipe y'kigo.
Midterm, which means they're ineligible for next Friday's game.
Abakinnyi benshi mu kigo bahashi bawe barakopeye ntabwo bazakina umukino ubutaha.
We'll deal with it in the offseason.
Bino tuzabiganira sezo y'imikino yarangiye.
Major academic breach under the carpet, so you can.
Ntabwo ngewe nareka guhana abakinnyi b'ikigo bakopeye ngo kugira ngo bakine match y'ikigo.
What? 6 months? Been here 25 years. We're not talking about just a year.
Maze imyaka 25 nuzi ikigo ntabwo tuganira kuri kubyanjye gusa.
I'm here to educate young.
Genda no kwigisha
Been
abana.
educating young people all my life.
Maze ubuzima bwanjye bwose nagirisha abana ni coach. Director w'ikigo avuga ati ngomba guhana abana kuko bakopeye. Coach w'ikigo avuga ati ntabwo wahana abahashi. Rero bagomba gukinira ikigo.
On water, coach.
Abantu benshi bazi kuri igitangaza ariko ni muri cyane.
Your temper, seen your method.
Nabonye ubugome bwawe n'umujinya wawe methode zawe. Akarisa.
Monday, I'm suspending the players.
Wa mbere nzirukana abakinnyi b'abanyeshuri abahashi bakopeye. Kandi coach avuga ati nibirukana abakinnyi b'abahashi. Sinzabasha gutsinda umukino mugabo yakubise hano muri ruraka. Uyu mugabo ni nyabaki. Mugabo afite ukuna kubita hasi miriri kaka. Uyu mugabo yari muri sauna yota yamabuye yaturutse kundi mubumbe. Simon Ville. Iyi ni episode ya 3. Isengo ko ari byose birakoreba. Aba DJ ne tubibutsa. Baraza kubona abandi bagiye kujya baba kumusanza. Aho mwawutanga ngo ntabwo mwemereye kuhatanga. Hari ikintu kizima wahakuraga. Wapi? Yaje muri bikoresho noneho. Ndetse hari ivangamo. Ni hadapfu wishyura harapfu wishyuza.
Sport or abuse?
So what do you think?
Ese ni football cyangwa ikoreshwa nabi. Namo nitoteza. Nabanyeshuri bigize abanyamakuru b'ikigo bandikije bakuru cy'ikigo ni Pete na Korowe.
My dad, all my brothers, he used to come over and watch the Super Bowl.
Kunda kuza kureba mani ziriya match.
Moment, you don't get points for
Niba
settling.
bibona abanyamakuru. Inshuti zakora kani Korowe na Pete. Bandikije bakuru cy'ikigo.
Because it means I'm hitting a nerve. Besides, between the abysmal sentence structure and generous use of the
Bakomeza imbere mu kigo baganira.
good idea of who's been sending it.
If you think my teammates are reading the torch, you're giving them way too much credit.
Sasa kugenda.
I don't see what the big deal is.
Asigaye yumva n'ibintu abantu bari kuganira bari kuri. Kuburyo amenye kagakobwanana, byo kari kuganira nande nagabe yo kubikira kandi bari kuri.
Something you don't see every day. A pom-pom meltdown.
Ikintu ndanyabona abantu bahora mu miserere neza ameze nka puzzle n'umugore we.
Look, I don't want to hear any rumors going around, any false accusations. You got any idea how they...
Sinshaka kumva ibintu bashinja bitari
Still a
byo.
mystery, but
Baza gufotora hano.
got a problem.
Shaka makuru.
Hey, what you doing?
Namukobwa akora iki? Kumutera baro yayisama. Mani kusama ni basama.
teammates attempts to assassinate me and all.
Umwe mu ikipe yabashaka kunyica ngo none ngo kine ngo samye neza. Kubita igipira mu nda. Coach arabibona. So afite ibibara gatera. Coach ari mu kirere cyane kuntu gisamye umupira. Waba bakibishije ku gukina. Uyu mukoci twamubonye kubita hasi miriri kaka. Asigaje umukino umwe imikino 200 yuzuza ataratsindwa. Nagahigo nibigwe.
I saw your arm out.
Mani nabonye akaboko kausaba.
Lousy, but you got a lot of power.
Wabusura ufite imbaraga uburyo ukina mu rwose.
You on our team?
Kutaza mu ikipe yanjye.
He's gonna farm.
Papa wanjye nyene kwivana.
Field, we got a big game.
Ikigo kiragukina mu kibuga.
Players. Look, I
Kwa gatanu dufite abakinnyi bake.
don't understand.
He's kind of stubborn.
Papa wanjye afunze umutwe.
Jonathan Kent was
Jonathan Kent.
athletes I ever coached.
Naramukoceje papa wawe naramutoshe shakiga.
It's in your genes.
Biri mu maso yanyu, biri mu maso yanyu.
Actually, I'm adopted.
Oya nje ntabwo yambye yaranyadobuse biri mu maso yacu gute gukina.
Look, I am giving you a chance to be
Ese ngiye kwamahirwe
special.
kugira ngo ugire uruhare mu kintu kidasanzwe.
Seeing you stare at your father's picture now.
Nabonye ari biriya bifoto yasatura igikombe.
Part of this.
Ese ntabwo wifuza kuzaterura igikombe wakina ikigo?
Suit up. And look at Ross here. He doesn't have a lick of natural talent, but he's got a...
Reba uyu musore nta mpano yavukanye ariko arakina neza cyane. None ufite impano uri kwipfusha ubusa.
Let me think about it.
Reka nze kubitekerezaho.
Get over here.
Bayern Foreman. Nigga.
Wardman, you're the
Clark.
team captain. How do you think Kent here would do on the field? I mean,
Urakeka uyu musore Clark Kent ageze mu kibuga yakora ibiki?
seems afraid.
Ndabona afite ubwoba.
That's not the reason, is it, Clark?
Iyo si yo mpamvu ariko udashaka gukina.
My dad.
Impamvu ni papa.
It's the time when you got to step out of your father's...
Hari igihe kigiye kuva mu gicucu cyaso ukaba umugabo ku giti cyawe utari mu gicucu cyaso.
Oh, man.
Ese witeguye kuba umugabo ku giti cyawe? Apana kuvuga ngo papa yambujije.
Come in.
Urabizi abonye umukobwa ati nukuri ndaza.
Today.
Kabonye umukobwa hari nukuri ndaza gukina. Kugira batamusuzugura kumubwira turi imbwa ntushaka gukina ngo so yavuze usuraga yindi.
You said no?
Papa bwerwa kumubwira ngo urashaka gukina kubwiye gukina ngo huye.
Call me when the hurting's done. Okay?
Uze kumamagara tu. Uyemeye kazakina kwa gatanu. Katuri gusa wabona bamuhaye uruhushya. Abana bato bano n'abana biga muri segonderi.
They cheated. I don't know how you can support them.
Because
Bakaba abakinnyi mukina bakopeye. Sinzi impamvu bashyigikira abakinnyi bakopeye.
really going on here?
Wambwira iki cyabere hano?
The things that I thought I knew for sure don't seem so certain anymore.
Bisa nabi ntoze nekereza ko nzi neza mba nabihagazeho neza.
I know how much you love
Si
football.
uburyo ukunda football.
Great at it.
Ndetse urayishoboye.
Support you.
Ndanagushyigikiye. None
I want to find something that I'm great at.
nanjye gushaka ikintu nshoboye ngikore. Ni byiza kugenda ugashaka ikintu ushoboye kugishyiramo imbaraga zawe ukagikora. None ikintu naje gusanga ngiye nshoboye ni ukuvuga ubutumwa bwiza. Nagishyizemo ingufu. Narwiyemeza mirimo narawiyemeje.
Yes. Coach Walt sort of didn't give me a choice.
Let me guess. Did he give you the
Coach yakubwiye
speech, right?
ngo umuntu w'umugabo
Walt's been giving that speech for 25 years.
Bimaze ko imyaka 20 ishize ibyo bintu natwe bitubwiraga dutuza gukwiye kuba umugabo iki n'iki.
Tell him you can't play.
Ejo uzagenda ubwira ko utazakina.
Don't make me do that.
Papa wituma ibyo bikora.
I'm sorry, we've already had this conversation.
Ikiganiro twakigani wa mwana.
Station. I can be careful and you don't trust me.
Ikibazo mu kibuga nakwigengesera ko nakunyizera.
Trust you, Clark.
Ndakwizera Clark.
What?
None siki.
I'm old enough to make my own decisions.
Urakuze kugira kwifata imyanzuro.
Can happen that can affect your judgment. I mean, if you
Ushobora kuba mu kibuga kuri ikintu gishobora kuba cyabangamira uburyo wafatagamo ibyemezo. Papa afite umwana afite ubwo uyu mwana ashaka kujya mu kibuga. Akaba yagonga abagenzi ko kabangamira kubera byayo bagafite akaba yakwica mu mwana. Cyase bikanagaragara ko afite imbaraga bidasanzwe.
Sick of being punished because I have these gifts.
Papa ndambiwe guhanwa ngo ukora afukanye
Son
imana.
could be the star of the football team.
son,
Ese niba cyangwa batifuza ko umwana wabo yamustar muri football. Mbaye nka Faustin.
vicariously through your achievements.
Wa mwana nje nago nejejwe nuko ngo hari ibyo wagezeho mu buzima wagafasha nijwe no kubona uri muzima gusa.
I'm not signing the permission slip, Clark.
Ntabwo ndimo gusinyira uruhushya kwemerera gukina.
I'm playing football and you can't stop me.
Ndaza kujya gukinira ikigo kandi ntabwo uri mu magari ku mwana afunze umutwe. Arota nangiye. Yabyemeye shushu be yahari. Imera kuri no. Urugo rw'abakire. Kwa Alex.
Well, if it isn't the three wise men.
Ndabona dari babagabo batatu rwose abanyabwenge batatu bagiye gusanganira Yesu.
Fencing lesson. Or have you taken up polo again? I'm not running late.
Ntabwo nakerewe.
For this meeting, if you recall.
Iyi nama nayihagaritse.
Insisted that we drive down here and keep...
Papa yavuze ngo tuyizemo ariko rwayihagaritse.
You jump.
Bivuze ngo papa yamotse murasimbuka yabagezemo.
Have you seen the quarterly numbers?
Yes, I have. We're 20% below projections.
Wababonye imibare hanigeze twabonye ko twasubiye mu makuye kwijana.
I plan to.
Birakorwa ikintu gipanga kubikimura.
Then I can inform him that you'll be cutting your workforce.
Ubwo ndaza kubwira papa ko noneho
You can inform him I'm
abagukorera tugiye kubagabanya.
workforce.
By how much?
Ahubwo mubwire ko ngiye kubongera 20%.
Lex, I've always enjoyed your unique sense of humor.
Wa mwana Alex ngo uburyo usetsemo. Ariko nagukomeje.
Money to make money, Dominic.
Ugomba gushora amafaranga kugira ngo ubone ndi.
Ability and marketing while our competitors retreat.
Ndetse ukongera buryo ki wamamazamo kugira ngo ubashe guhangana nabo muhanganye ku isoko ry'umurimo.
The market.
Your father sent you to Smallville to turn the plant around.
My father.
Papa yakoresha muri Smallville kugira ngo ukurikirane iby'imihingire.
Drones. Then people who...
Wiwe atangiye kujya yifatira n'ibyemezo agashora amafaranga mu bindi akakora ibyo ashaka.
Please do.
Isonda bimubwire.
This meeting is adjourned.
Inama iranarangiye irasumbitswe. Uco.
By the way,
Mwana muto. Dominic,
tell your sister I said hi.
surize mushiki wawe sha hanashya. Munsurize. Kiramenyera. Alex.
Lana, you're home early.
Nana kuri mu rugo kare.
Practice?
Imyitozo y'abantu babyina mu kibuga wayiritse ba cheerleader.
You love being on this.
Babyina basket zigiye gutangira imikino nk'iyi iki n'iki.
Just think there's more to life than memorizing cheers and
Nkeka ko ari ibindi birenze kurusha kwitoza kubyina.
this out of the blue.
Wisufata icyemezo gutyo biritse kubyina mu kibuga se.
Some of the football players were caught cheating.
Bamwe mu bakinnyi ba football babafasha bari gukopera.
How upset it made me. He said it was no big deal. That
Ubwo nabibwiraga byo kubikira kandi bakina football ko bagenzi bakopeye imbona ntabwo bimurakaje cyangwa se nta kintu bimubwiye.
a fake smile and stupid outfit for people who do anything to win a game.
Ntabwo ngiye ngishaka kubyinira abantu bakora icyo cyose kugira ngo batsinde umukino. Mbega bakopera bakora amakosa ari bo bakina.
Friends.
Ariko uri mu ikipe ufite inshuti.
I don't want to go back.
Sinshaka
I
gusubirayo.
want to try different things. What's wrong with you?
Ndashaka kugerageza ibintu bitandukanye n'ibyo
You're
nakoraga.
on a good track.
Uko uri mu nzira nziza.
I want you to be happy.
Icyo cyane kuwishima.
What are you going to do with this newfound freedom?
Ubwo kwishyira ukizana ngiye gukoresha iki?
Get a job?
Ngiye gushaka akazi.
Part-time?
Kazi nyine kakaraka.
Money so I can go travel in the summer?
Mbiko udufaranga byibura muri sama nanjye cyangwa se mu mpeshyi nzagiye nzasohoke njye mu rugendo njye kuyarya yanjye ntembere.
But I'm not looking for help.
Washaka kwa kazi nta kazi nyine auntie.
Maya.
Bino ndabikora ku giti cyanjye. Kibimaze kuba hakurino. Kirakaje muri tizi. Baje muri tizi de bache leaders ni bano. Yeah. Bano babyinira abakinnyi nyine abakinnyi bakajya mu kibuga bavuga ati ni iki ni iki.
Here's your bag.
Dore so sha yaje kureba tizi. Ubepo yaje kureba tizi kwa gatanu bafite match.
I'm glad you're here.
Parishimiye kuri hano. Bisomane byinshi.
Still don't support your decision, Clark.
Ntabwo ngiye kigiye umwanzuro wo gukina.
No one gets hurt.
Hano kugira ngo ndebe ko utakomeretsa abana babandi wakikora kimwe. Bari yamushinga tuwamwana ufite imbaraga bidasanzwe. Ushobora gushika kubise nk'umwana ikintu akahita apfa cyangwa se bakanabona ko afite imbaraga bidasanzwe ugasanga batangiye kumufata nkaho atari umuntu bakura mutamfata naho ndi umuntu mufata nkaho ndi hejuru y'umuntu gatonya amaze kubimenya Katuri. Kent.
Quit looking in the stand.
Ushobora kureba se.
Not coaching this team.
Isona ngari utoza ikipe.
You're going to be a tackling dummy.
Ntabwo nakuzanye no gukiko cyo gukina wa mukinga uyu ni coach. Uyu coach afite imbaraga bidasanzwe yarahumuye. Abatoza bahumuye.
That guy same way.
Wa mukino usanzwe basore. Turamufite. Bruce ati tu. Katuri. Urakarareba. Acha kubita baro, kubita pase. Mwana banza bayora. Ikiraka. Kurakara basibuka. Meza bite ariko nyagaragaza bana ariko ubundi afite ibigufu n'iki. Afite ukuyi kontora mwana. kiracyana kiwije gukina ngo gitangiye gutsinda kiraje kiryoherwe abana babizi bashimye kwiruka barenge wabo uzahise asohoka mubwiye ngo mwana wanjye wirutse neza mwana mushimye kwiruka barenge wabo hano uri kureba kuraka ukuntu yasimbutse muri wa mukina simbuka abandi ni coach cyane ko gifite amafuta ko gifite umusosi kabakinyi bavuga gusa umusosi afite
Favorite football fan.
Coach, one of the players accused of cheating has come forward and said you supplied them with the tests.
umwe mu banyeshuri
And what
bafashe bakopeye yaje atanga makuru ku kigo ko babahashye cyonyuza mu bintu by'ibizamini by'ingorane
you
ibintu by'imiti
the school board asked them to suspend?
si uyu no ibizamini
High places.
ibizamini nyine bakabishakira ibisubizo
I coached most of them.
umva navuye gukorera ku buyobozi w'ejo nakiro bikoze bose regana batoje iki kigo ni
Who'd you think the school board was going to believe? Some cheating little
urakeka ninde wakwizera umwana w'umunyeshuri avuga ngo abanyeshuri ngo bakopeye n'injyo bahaye ibizamini
victory for.
ngo babe babyitoza nyine mbere yo kubikora umukoci uvuze ngo yibira n'abakinnyi be mu ikipe y'abahashyi ibizamini bakajya kubikora
The board will have no choice. They'll suspend you from coaching for the rest of your life.
bari abana bose b'ikipe nimbashyira hamwe kubitanu haraka baraza kukurwanya wirukanwe bavuge ko bahotera batoteze nawe bibiri ibizamini kubise hano muri ruraka
What the hell's going on here, coach?
ibi cy'ibyo mbere hano coach afite imbaraga bidasanzwe iyo ari muri sauna bari muri sauna ariko ari wa mwuka uzamuka wa yamabuye uyu ni directeur w'ikigo yarabwiye coach ati coach ukomeje kwibira abana ibizamini
Who the hell does he think he is?
karaka directeur karakeka kari igiki directeur yinjira mu modoka umugabo abanza funga isura hano funga isura abanza akoresha ubwonko bwe arakontorora rero kukiri film yatsana karanye kwatsano kigabo kiragutwika kitagukozeho hey umugabo aragutwika koraro biranga kigabo kimutwikira mu modoka bimeze biti kiramutwitse ko bano bari gusohoka mu kigo
Can I head you back to the farm?
bari hano kirakabona directeur w'ikigali w'ira modoka babizi njya gutabaza kirakavayo vayo mbere kirahure umugabo cyangwa kimodoka nukuba kuronka aho kudafasheho umusore ufite ibaraga bidasanzwe iki alien cyavuye kundi mubumbi cy'umwana yaratabaye directeur w'ikigo azana kwibira tuzamini se sha aratabaye ibyo byarabaye
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, Juan's gonna be in the hospital till over the weekend.
You can use principal Kwan araza kuyimara mu bitaro. Wali yatabaye.
Inhalation, but
Hari umunsi wamukiye mu yaha yamize ni bagiye ko bamukuramo no kuyakomeretsa inyuma gake. Abantu bakubonye kuri.
Nobody saw me, Dad.
Nta muntu wabonye ndi gutabara directeur.
I told the paramedics that I wrapped my hands in my jacket when I pulled him out.
Nabwiye n'abantu bo kwa muganga ko nabanje nkizirika ikote ku biganza mbere yuko njya gukuramo directeur mu tabaye imodoka.
Look,
Batakika kafite n'imbaraga zidasanzwe.
you play,
Nakubonye ukina.
right? Now you could have easily hurt any one of those boys.
Wari kubaza bari abana mukinana. Ariko sinababaje.
Why are we even having this conversation?
Ubundi kuki turi kubiganira.
By the way, Coach gave me the whole position.
Coach yambaye umwanya wakinaga kera.
You're looking at the starting tailback for this Friday's game.
Ese kuwa gatanu uzaza kureba match. Nzakina. Uzaza kuri match. Happy.
When everyone congratulated me at once.
Nta n'umuntu ugira felicitation byibura muri uru rugo.
How did he get to be so stubborn?
Turi mwana sigara umufunga mutwe sinzi.
Wait a minute, I was not like that when I was his age.
Ngende mu myaka y'intabwo nari mfunze umutwe.
Ian son who always obeyed his father.
Wubaha gaso sibyo?
Away one summer and try out for the Metropolis Sharks.
Since when did you?
Urashaka guhakana kutigeze ucika umunsi umwe ari mu mpeshyi ucitse so wamusuzuguye ukajya se kuroba zashaka.
Life.
Sari kukwica ajya gukina na zashaka.
All because we were afraid he might hurt somebody. He's a teenager now.
Uwo mwana ni muto.
Shy.
Reka tumuhe amahirwe.
Come with responsibilities.
Uriya mwana impano afite cyangwa imbaraga afite zigomba kujyana n'inshingano.
You're telling Clark that you don't believe in him.
Uri kubwira kuri akurikije ibyo gukora kutamwizeye kugira ngo umubwire ati genda ukine ariko wikengesera ntugaragaze imbaraga cyangwa ngugire ukomeretse.
I do not want anyone coming on this farm and taking our son away.
Sinshaka uriya mwana azagaragaza imbaraga ze ku buryo bizagira abantu basaza bakamutwara.
He's gonna leave all by himself.
Uriya mwana afite kuzamenya nawe kwibeshaho ku giti cye.
Sense. Cars don't just spontaneously combust.
Umva imodoka ntabwo zipfa kwituritsa uko zibonye wana.
Already got our headlines.
Bano bari kubinonosora reba abanyamakuru batwika. Imodoka ntabwo ipfa kwitura ngo yituritse. Harimo ikibazo.
I believe Clark's been blind.
Aje kuri Nikorowe na Pete. Sinakira kumukate.
Yeah, next thing you know, I'm gonna be joining the compound brigade. I hear there's a spot open.
Ngo yaje akorana.
What are you doing here?
Ntabwo ukora
Can you order, I hope?
gufata komande z'abakiriya.
This is some sort of like a cheerleading charity.
Waje gukorera ubuntu se abantu babyina mwaje gukorera ubuntu n'umuserife.
Cheerleading and charity park.
Ibyo bintu byo kubyina no gukorera ubuntu ntabwo byanzanye ngende mu kazi.
So, you're a waitress for
Ese umuserife?
The perky name takes to prove it.
Ese ntabwo ubona n'imutaga kandi yambaye nyine kanditse amazina y'ikara umuserife.
necklace?
Kaga kufe kawe karika.
Now jewelry and
Rero umuserife nta mikufe nta za nkweto ndende ibyo wambara bijyanye n'ubuserife.
now if I could only tell the difference between a half cap and a non-fat latte. And I
Ababwira ko bagiye kubazanira bose.
Absolutely.
but
Lonnie forgot this.
Wibagiwe kano.
that's been happening a lot today.
Ni byinshi byabaye umunsi.
So you just quit cheerleading?
Ese kubyina wabiritse ubu?
Guys,
Well, it's not like you broke any state laws or anything, but you always seem so happy doing it.
Je nabona giteka wishimiye
so
kubyina.
is my aunt.
Mama wanjye ari umubyinnyi, anti wanjye abyina. Nageragezaga kubivamo ngo batazavuga ngo fumi yacu twese ibyo dukora.
You're his teammate now. Why don't you ask him?
Kabisa bivuze iki simukina na suzamubaza.
You know, it's amazing. The same day I make the team, you quit the school.
Biratangaje umunsi ninjire mu ikipe n'umunsi wayiviriyemo.
I have 4 shifts a week. Could stop by anytime you like.
Hano hantu mufite shift ibyumweru bine wacu kandeba.
The drinks for fun.
Umva genda userife ku meza ya gatatu.
Right. Sorry. Don't be
Sorry.
Just be faster.
Umva wisabe imbabazi hutu userife ibyo userife. Akazi nyine kaba ari akazi mabujana nakwiyongoza. Nanjye njye ababosi mujya munuka ababosi bangirega n'abantu muri filime. Rero no gusura mukanduka. Kumbe.
Click my heels and get back to reality.
Mereno rwaje.
Coach needs to see some film right now.
Coach adukeneye mu kibuga nona. Abari babahashye bavugwa ko bagiye bakopera. Director we yanavuze nubwo bari bamwishe. Coach w'ikigo niwe wibizamini akabishyira n'abana. Tuzabona nisho. Katuri. Krowi. Dusubire kuri wacho. Uyu yari kuva no munsi wa mbere mu kazi k'ubuserife yamena ibintu. Bamukomera amashyi komereza aho sha. Kugeze ya myaka yo kurongorwa sha. Abanyarwanda barakabya. Kumenya ibintu no gushaka umugabo bihuriye. Kumenya ko mu kibuga bazakiniramo.
Demonstrate such extraordinary stupidity.
Sindabona abantu bagaragara bagaragaza ubukora cyo rwo hejuru.
No one here told Kwan that I support.
Nta numwe muri mwabwiye director w'ikigo kwanika njye bahaye ibizami.
How is he going to look at us for cheating on our record?
Rege ikigo kitubana n'ubundi nk'abantu bakopera.
So it was you, huh, Trevor?
bivuze ngo niwe wabivuze Trevor wavuze ko mahi ibizamini kigwakiwe kuki bitanunguye imiriraka uyu mugabo yaraka imiriraka ikangamo ko cyo kigera ka imiriraka afite uburyo cyafite imbaraga bidasanzwe uranyumva nta kintu cyangira hagati yanjye n'ibigwi byanjye ibigwi byarashaka kubyubaka uyu mukino ko gatanu utsinda zaba yushuje imikino 200 agatsindwa mbona ariko maze gutoza imyaka 25 byose ari kubireba arabifotora imiriri kuva mu mazi ya na amazi kuvamo imiriro bya nibiki nuko imukobwa kurushakashatsi ibintu bizarre biri wiyari byose byagiye banyuma yuko yamanutse prestation Alex de Parex kibura bwa mbere muri page vuga ko umunye business utwika
Grown dutifully reported it to me. I just didn't think you'd be stupid enough to implement it.
ntabwo nese cyane gikorwa uzabikora cyane wishyira mu bikorwa
We have a reporting structure. Just because you're my son, don't expect any special treatment.
dufite uburyo dukora akazi kacu kuri umwana wanjye nuko bikora nabikora mu bundi buryo buhabaye
Routine may have worked for your mother, but don't try it with me.
wa mwana ibyo bintu byo kwimira cyane wagiraga kuri mama wawe akakwihangana ngiye ukabizana
Hence, I'm a factory in Smallville.
Lex,
wanyereje muri
the
Smallville
Caesars would send their sons to the furthermost corners of the empire.
bakayizari bajyaga bohereza abana babo ahantu hakomeye hari urugamba rukomeye hirya no hino ku isi kugira ngo ubone kwisi
Sleep at night, Dad.
All right, here's how I propose we solve our impact.
kamwe ku buryo no kino kibazo ngira dufitanye tugikemura mwana ari business yatangiye gukora cyane mu bikorwa kandi papa nayishyigikiye
If you win, I'll let you pursue your plan.
nutsinda ndakureka umupangu ukomeze
Fire 20% of your workforce.
niba utsinda urirukana bamwe mu bakozi bagera kuri 20 ku ijana bagabanya
Are you good enough to take your old man?
banza bibaza urumva umutari ku buryo warwanya ukamutsinda muse katore baza umukino to papa n'umuhungu we nibaruta bose muse ruta n'umuhungu we Alex ruta nya
Look at your moves, Lex.
reba ujye ukora muri Alex ujye urwana muri fake
If I want to run commentary, I buy one of your books on tape.
papa ntabwo nyereye commentaire zawe ku buryo urwana
The problem is,
ikibazo cyawe
by
sobanurira
your emotions.
utwarwa n'amarangamutima nyakuyobora nina ko wahoze rwanisha amarangamutima we kandi icyo ni ikibazo
I want those workers gone by noon tomorrow.
abakozi bose ejo saa 4 saa 6 uzabe wabirukanye inama ndayisubitse kozi buganda bakuye kwijana bagomba guhagarikwa some ku rwunge ntayobewe ikintu kibura kumbe praka yaje akorino
Down to the pep rally?
ngiye mwirushanwa se meze gute
As handsome as your father.
shuri bogari nkasumva mama
Do this, Mom.
Do what?
Play Kent Family Peacekeeper.
Well, if the Kent
bisa nk'ari ubusigasira amahoro muri muryango
have to.
abagabo muri muryango bisa nk'abo bose bigize nk'ubaganye
No,
ku ruhande rwa
I
papa
told him he's being unreasonable.
yana papa inamubwiye katari gushyira mu gaciro
Well, I'm not saying you're entirely innocent here.
ariko nawe ntabwo urengana hano
Own decisions, you need to be prepared.
ndagira gusa ngo umenye ko
Thanks.
nimba ufashe icyemezo n'umwanzuro ugomba no kwirengera amakosa n'ingaruka bikurikira icyo cyemezo wafashe nimba wemeye kujya gukina ingaruka zizabivamo ukazirengera ubundi nicyo bakwereka ubundi umuntu umwereka icyiza n'ingaruka zishobora kuvuga abwira ati ubwo nyine nimba wabyirengera bigendere mbese biti kumbe hako nino bana bari mu myitozo ni nk'umuhuro baraye ejo hari match yaje hano mikoro we kumbe dura musore bita Trevo umwe watanze amakuru ko coach bakopeza ibizamini
Call me what you want.
icyo wamugabe ushaka iki
I want to know if Coach will supply the players with tests.
Look, if you don't get
ashaka
hurt,
kumenya niba coach ariho ibizamini abanyeshuri yibye
Now,
abana
by
bakopera
the way, this picture's going to be on
Abakinnyi ariko.
tomorrow's torch.
turi ndi foto na foto ejo nzashyira mu kinyamakuru cya page ya mbere ukuntu coach bari gutwika imiriro izamuka
just leave me alone.
ndeka njyenyine mwana yita cyo rebe fayo kirano coach
Newspaper, Trevor? I thought you were brighter than that.
ashaka kuneza ikinyamakuru cy'ikigo aramutwika uyu mugabo afite umuriro muri we uriya mukobwa ijoro ryahise ari ku kibuga ndetse yafashe amafoto ya myamiriro yawe uri gutwika izamuka ayo mafoto yafashwe yaramutwitse ta bino ndabyitaho menya ko ari agakobwa ashaka kumushyira hanze k'akanyamakuru bita kakorowe igari inkuru ziba zitagomba kurenga rido iyo ubonye umuntu iyo nkuru ashaka kwirenza rido umukobwa yaje kurara yandika inkuru igomba gusohoka mu kigo ugaragaza ko uriya mukoci afite ibintu by'imiriro akora bikazamuka iyi foto yishyira kuri page ya mbere kumbuga ari kwandika ruwaje aro arabanza aramutwikira arahatwika ni coach bakoresha ibitekerezo by'akagutwika uriya nanjye kugira ngo ndatwika hanini ibitekerezo tuba tubikoresha dutwika arahiye ya wabonye korowe ya kumbe korowe ari hano ikipe iri hano sisi guhindukira yabonye korowe korowe ameze nabi ari mu miriro bimeze biti hey kobwa ameze nabi ikigabo kiri kumutwika cyaje ashaka kugaragaza kandi byakwica mu kigo baba bakiciye ibigwi kigomba kuzuza ibigwi kuri wa gatanu kigo gikiri imikino 200 kidatsindwa kirano umuriro ni mwinshi kiraka dore umuvuduko n'umuyaga mwinshi nta nubwo wabasha kumubona bisegonda rimwe abakugezeho umuvuduko yinjirana korowe kubera n'umuyaga yinjirana imiriro yarasimiye kubera imiyaga yinjirana umuvuduko mwinshi yarahazimije ntego utwika si uzimya hey awe n'ikiniga cyahaza urumogi ngafandi ngo nushaka umfunge tungo n'ubundi ufunga se katari ufungura ati cyakora umuginiro
The fire knew what I was doing.
You believe
cyase nka uriya muri waruzi ibyo ndi gukora naho washakaga kucyogeka ushaka
Principal Kwan launches an investigation into the cheating scandal. Coach Walt tries to fry him in his car. Then, one of his players comes forward and he
ati
threatens
basi
pyrotechnics.
director yakimenye ibintu bya coach bamuteje inkongi y'umuriro nanjye ubwanjye nari nyishaka gushyira hanze bya coach nabonye inkongi y'umuriro no mu kibuga rero foto coach ari gutserera abanyeshuri ari inkongi y'umuriro sasa urashaka kuvuga kuri mugabo ushaka kontrol umuriro akagakobwa kafumbuye kuri mu kigo yamabuye yamanuka avuye kundi mumbi ari ibintu biri bizarre cyangwa ibintu bidasanzwe bijya bihaba
picture?
No, it's kind of hard to recover.
hari ndi ko ufite ifoto ya
We don't have any proof.
nta kimenyetso ufite gishinjura mugabo kafite imiriro ye
I'm sure he's the one
Trevor
that's
says it.
cheating. He wants to talk, I know it, but he's still scared to talk to me. But
uriya
I
musore cyatugomba kuvugisha Trevor
Yeah.
ariko we mwavugana wa mwana wemeye akavuga gatanga amakuru avuga ko abanyeshuri bakopeza muri iki kigo babakinnyi babahashi kandi ariko ucubira inyuma.
Lana,
Rana,
what happened?
Cyageze bite?
Chat on the street?
bakwirukanye bagutaye imihanda sasa guseriva.
Good for you. I'm sure you'll be employed of the month in no time.
Yewe wana nukuri iminsi mike kabisa ndakeka ubuze guhakaza umeze nk'umustajeri.
Better bring my cappuccino and a styrofoam cup.
Nzarira cappuccino hariya nubundi ntabwo ko mfite. Itumye ka cappuccino.
Well, if it is
Cappuccino.
football star.
Let's see how I do tomorrow.
Umuyungu yaje
Have you
akari.
seen Trevor tonight?
No, he hasn't been in.
Nijoro babonye tureva bashaka kumukura amakuru ni wa mwana ushaka gutanga amakuru.
Graham.
For what it's worth, I think it's cool you got this job.
For what it's worth, I'm sorry I'm not going to get to see you play tomorrow.
Sinzi ko kubera kano kazi ejo nzikira mbasha kuza kureba ukuntu uzakina.
May I have a cup of coffee?
Coming right
Iri
up.
cyo nzarira nzanira agakombe k'ikawa cyangwa ukabura nzarira urwungi.
Clark can't join the football team. Rumors true.
Ibi babira ko Clark Kent yinjiye mu ikipe y'ikigo
Your dad?
cyane.
Really? Actually, he
Menya so byamuvanze ariko.
can play. I'm surprised.
Papa yarambwiye ngo sinkwiye gukina.
I mean, he claims I should make my own decisions, but then when I do, he shuts me down.
Papa wanjye ni umuntu wa mbere unoza kwifatira imyanzuro ariko nafata umwanzuro nk'uyu ngiye gukina campus.
Silence will greet you when you get home. How did you know? Luther's wrote the book on uncomfortable silences.
Ati barutazi kwanza igitabo cyitwa Guceceka ariko bibangamiye.
Figure out what's poor bad.
Cyangwa kwakora uceceka ngo wanze gusubiza ariko kumva birakubangamiye.
Work for us. Any way around it?
Papa wanjye arashaka ko ngabanya abakozi 20%.
Easy to turn around.
Papa wanjye kandi yafashe icyemezo.
You guys feel on it?
Arabigoye kugihindura.
Look, I'm
Kubaza guseriva.
this job.
Bamutumye cappuccino dore ibyo yazanye.
Guess we're on the same boat? No. You both stood your ground and are doing what you want. I caved. You two have inspired me.
Shamwimbi kupu yanyu rwose iranyinspira banywamo. Mva ariko.
Want some coffee? We're a couple of real rebels.
Long live the revolution.
Tubisa nkaho ngiye nawe turi abantu bigumuye ku babyeyi bacu bavuye mu bintu by'ababyeyi banyu babyinaga nanjye mva nigumura mu rugo.
Perfect.
Koko kumwe uzaniye kameze kameze so. Iriya tumye cappuccino.
Is that what you ordered?
Ibyo shobora watanze komande.
In class.
Nta nubwo bisatira ibyo natanze komande. Hari abakobwa biga gashyashya mu guseriva. Batumye cappuccino karagenda kizana ibiboro nimba byamirikisheki. Jya mbona maninje yahuza.
Just leave and he'll come back.
Kombe dra musore. Trevor. Uyu ni umukino.
Angry.
Iyo coach arakaye. Yakoze iki?
Coach rides me pretty hard, you know?
Coach arangora.
Any others?
Cye n'abandi bakinnyi.
Thinks it's our father or something.
Abayumva ni papa wacu cyangwa iki?
Why is it anyway?
Ni uhitamo icyo cyose dukora.
He drove me home, punched me in the gut. Told me not.
Yigeze no kuntwara ngeje mu rugarankubita.
Coach said he'd throw me off the team. Wouldn't let me pass my classes.
Did he give
Coach arambwira azanyirukana mu ikipe kandi bizatuma ntsindwa n'ibizamini. Ni ubibi ibizamini si cyane.
Trevor?
Trevor nagufasha.
That's what Quan said. Look what Coach did to him.
Ibyo principal cyangwa director Kwani yashatse kumushyira hanze ibyamubaye bahise bamutwika.
Carburetor.
Wabaye cyukaboko. Ni carburetor y'imodoka yantwitse. Tsiko. Kari biratera.
Trevor.
Kadebe. Yuke coach yamufashe ku kiganza aramutwika kuko. Waratwika afite imiriro muri we. Niyo ari muri sauna n'ibya byotsi bizamukiye muri yamabuye yaturutse kundi muhumbi. Turi. Yarebye buri mwana umuntu wamutwitse ngo amukojeje ikiganza.
Gonna find me.
Coach namenya ko icyo navuze ntaraza kunshiririza aranyotse. Kumbe dore coach. Bari kuta. Kandi yoto yamabuye Kent.
Why aren't you in the locker room sitting up?
I'm not walking out of.
Kuki ushana?
Neither are you.
Ntabwo turi bujye kuri match yaba ari njye nawe.
Your problem is
Sinzi ikibazo cyawe.
you not want to take me off right now.
Ikigo kirakara. Mukuru akaya yamabuye atangira kwaka uyu nguyu yatangira kumujena. Ari yamabuye amushena amuca intege ahana yamabuye nta kintu akora. Yamanukanye nawe.
Trevor's arm.
Wajya akora ko ka Trevor.
It's not shot.
Trevor agombaga kuziba.
It's not a kid. Little too.
Ikibazo kikenti.
Huh?
Ishyushye. To. Kubita umukinga bamutamo hano. Yeah.
Oh, excuse me now.
Ngaho none ndetse ngende. Mfite umukino wo gutsinda. Kuraka yasigaye hano. Kandi ahantu hari biriya bibuye. Nta nubwo yabasha guhaguruka. Baramukingirana. Ari amabuye ashobora no kumwica. Icyo kintu cyonyine kimuca intege. Yeah. Kumbe hano mu kibuga umunsi wageze. Kuraka bamufungiranye. Abandi bana mu kigo yini ikipe y'ikigo. Match yatangiye. Bimeze bite? Hasi. Yeah. Kumbe dore ababyeyi baje gufana umwana wacu nitwe twabyaye abandi baragendesheje. Mrs. Kate na Mr. Kate turi kuri no. Baje kwicara hano.
My personal policy.
Mu kagigi gatonya kitwa gatsata bose baziranye.
Same philosophy.
Where's Clark?
I don't know. I'm supposed
Naje gushyigikira inshuti yanjye natwe nibyo turi kugerageza. Kuraka ari nako yigeze. Kumbe turi kuraka hano ari. Fata ibuye tera ariya biranga ashaka gutera mu kadirishya. Kiba ari bikora wamufasha. Nta kabaraga. Ye, match iracyajya mbere. Pete,
Hey.
nabonye Clark.
I haven't seen all day.
Nawe nabonye umunsi wose.
Jonathan, you know the rules.
Jonathan uzi amategeko. Ababyeyi bagira hano.
I need him out here. Guess he doesn't know what it takes to be.
Bene Clark nawe nyeneye. Ntacyo afite gifatika cyatuma mutsinda.
Nobody's seen him.
I think it's
Namuramo.
fine.
Ndamuga barakubeshya.
What's going on here, boy?
All right, I'll check the
Tujye kumushaka.
I'll be back in 5.
Nabisi ndagaruka ikintu kibonye ko agiye gushaka Clark. Babwira ati ndaje sigara utoza sha. Musigira Santiago abatoza. Kumbe yakuri no. Biracyari kumena ibirahuri. Arebe biri kwanga. Eh. Baraga se kumushiramo. Yari hafi yari yamubiri ko bimera. Icyo kintu cyonyine gica Clark ama. Intege. Clark. Listen. Clark. Kumbe duri Clark. Shiraka. Shira. Ze. Muzerukira rumena.
You hear me all right? It's me.
Clark bizinesi.
Come on.
Bya Meteor Rocks. Nyuma ye kimushyira mu mwana kugira nahita kira muzima. Kubita biranga. Kubita biranga kirashaka kwica umunyeshuri nasa. Kubisa umugero umwe. Kigabo kigwa muri kilometero 2. Usara gukubita umugeri. Ufite ibibaraga.
Coach?
Coach,
What I need is to win this game.
It's too late.
ukeneye gutsindira umukino. Wakererewe. Ikigo kirabanza. Kiratwika. urayamira ucereka imiriro ibyo bintu ntabwo bimukanga ariya mabuye ubundi niyo yonyine yamukanga urayamira umwana imiriro yicamo kirikanga imiriro yicamo nta kimutwara bikoze ute bikoze
Jeans.
sinde jeans biri mu maraso biri mu turemagingo umusara aratwika ati kuciye mu bintu bya bintu bikoze ute ati biri mu maraso biturimo waratwika kuraka kigabo cyabonye bigicanze cyo cyifuza gishema ryo gutsinda umukino wa 200 cyabonye ibigwi byacu bigiye kwangirika no kubimbwa kibimfa kiritwika kandi mwivugisha ngo yo maniga ngiye kwitwika
2 trips in 1 week. I'm flattered, Dad.
ingende byiza kunsura ndumva bineje papa
It's my new proposal.
cyo ni ikintu proposal yanyu cyashya
Operating budget by 20%.
ndetse na bishe nzakoresha yongeye 20%
Told you to cut your workforce.
ariko nagiye umuntu ubura akazi icyo umwana ashaka poe mukiye mbwira ngo yirukana abakozi
That's not the point.
patroni papa tangiye kubona avuguruzwa mbega n'umwana mu byerekeranye n'akazi amwereka ko hari ubundi buryo bakoramo akazi kandi bumeze neza
You could always try a rematch.
papa ndashaka ko dusubukura umukino
Take your son again.
rebe ko watsinda umwana wawe
One.
sangwa aya mahirwe mwiturwane
Define me.
iyo bekeranye ikibazo no kutumvikana ku kintu barwanisha inkota utsinze undi nyine niwe ufata ibyemezo bye n'ibyo bikurikizwa
That my plan works or that you didn't come up with it first. Just remember, empires aren't built on clever bookkeeping.
bamwe menye ko ubwami butubakwa n'abantu b'abahanga mu kubika ibitabo wapi ntabwo ngo nyine ubwami bwubakwa kubishyira mu bikorwa biri muri ibyo bitabo
Blake, were you here to make sure I didn't hurt anyone? I was here to support my son.
papa buriya wishimiye ko nigeze nyina maco ya nishimiye ko
I said-
naje n'ubundi kigushyigikira
How do I?
ibintu nakubwiye
Right.
nari narengereye
Mark, I do.
ndakwizera wa mwana we pe
There's gonna be a part of me that's a little bit afraid.
ariko azahora igice cyanjye muri njye
That's just being-
cyo gifite ubwoba kandi nicyo bita kuba umubyeyi bagomba kugushye kwereka inzira urakoze papa umwana wawe bitoraguriye baramurera none ubikubitana nuko umwana yaravuye ku wundi mubumbe hayira rimwe kaje ari gato
Peaceful, isn't it?
Hey,
thought
you were working.
nzi twagiye mu kazi
Let go. Apparently I'm not waitress material.
shana abonye ibintu byo guserifa atari ibintu byanjye
How'd your aunt take it?
She said that it was
anti wawe urabifata ate
seriously reconsider cheerleading.
we yambwiye ngo nongere nekereze uburyo nasubira mu kujya mbyinira abakinnyi mu kibuga
I heard about the coach. Pretty weird.
wumvishe ibya coach byabaye
Didn't even see.
You gonna find out?
yatsinze mu mukino wa 200 ariko ntiyabashe kubibona yari yapfuye ikipe yaratsinze
My dad played, granddad played.
kwangiye kinyi mukino sogokora awukina
Break the vicious cycle.
cyane cyo gihe ngo nanjye uruziga nduce mbega ibintu byo kuba nakomeza muri urwo ruziga rwabo mivemo football agiye kuyireka
So I got out of
ukindi umutima
realized
sinzi
the plane was gone.
impamvu yagiye gukina yavuyeho bari ibyo kubyumva ni kuraka ariko se mana cuma
Gonna be okay?
bise neza
Sometimes I just want to scream.
hari igihe barumva nasakuza
Why don't we?
kuki tutasakuza se
You what?
Scream.
reka dusakuze nyine imijinya dufite n'akabaro dufite bishire
You serious?
Why not?
urakomeje yego tubikore tubikore
1,
rimwe ubasakuze nyine imijinya bayimari hari igihe umuntu abacicikanya akababaro barasakuza siye nyine imijinya bayimari ubwo twaza abana bari kwimara imijinya basakuza kuraka nana ndetse turacyari muri wa muki uhora mu dutendo ndaje mukanya turebe episode ikurikira banyita Rocky ciao ciao
Did you ever think about how you can save your memory and how you refresh back all your events and memory that you're passing through right now? Well, I got one and only solution for you. Flat Picture Studio. Flat Picture Studio is the one and only that can help you in your old event, especially your wedding day. Because if you think about professional quality photos and video, think about Flat Picture Studio. Above all, we keep your images on internet where we found it for labor. Find us on our all social media platforms at Flat Pictures LW. Or contact us now on 078 1691713. Flat Picture Studio. We visualize your idea.